Hey guys, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the grill in your Ford Ranger. Now this is our 99 Ford Ranger and it's specifically for these years. Now I've already removed it, but I put it back in so I could kind of show you guys how to do it. The bottom clips on this grill are actually already broken. Somebody broke them before we got it. I can still show you how to remove it and show you where those bottom clips should be if they were functioning properly. So the way this works is it has 4 bolts along the top and it has 2 clips that are in the bottom that are about right where these bars come down. Now, if you have a bumper that's a little bit different than this, like a factory bumper, it might be a little bit more difficult because you can't get your hands on it like you can with this bumper. Or if you have a winch on it, which isn't on this yet. So what we're going to do is I will show you how to take them off. We've already removed it once and I put it back on. So it's kind of loose and it's kind of broken, like I said, but we'll still show you how to do it. So right along the top here, there's 4 bolts. And what they are is they're real small. They're a 5.5 millimeter one, so it's a really small one. But you can take these off. Jake already took them off. I'm using just a hand tool. I actually just put them in hand tight. I wanted to show you guys where they were at, but Jake had already removed them, but I just set them in here to show you guys that they actually exist in the spot. So take all 4 of these out. And then you could start removing the grill. Make sure you set these aside and don't lose them because they are itty bitty. Now that these top bolts are out, you can go ahead and grab the grill kind of on the bottom and pull it straight back towards you and then up and off. Here are these clips. These are broken and missing. They actually have a clip that snaps on here, but somebody that had it before us, this car was in an accident. I think it might have been broken on that. But whatever the case is, these won't be like this and just pull straight back and they won't break. They go in these little slots down here. If you look underneath right here, there's big rectangular holes. Now right there is where they go in. This one is actually stuck in here, so I'll show you what it looks like. So right here is where that clip is. You can kind of see where it goes in that hole and how it snaps in. The other one is right over here, right there. So there you go. It's really easy to do. Reinstalling is just the exact opposite of installing it. Now we're not going to reinstall it because we're actually doing a 2002 front end swap on this truck. Now, if you want to see that, there'll be another video coming out soon and we will show you how to do it. We're also going to show you another video of how removing the headlights, the turn signals, and this header panel. So check our channel out if you want to see those and check our social media. We'll see you guys next time.